Stop for a moment. Take 3 normal breaths right now. Feel that? That shallow, unconscious breathing pattern you just did? That's exactly what's keeping you trapped in your current reality. You've been breathing survival, not creation. You've been oxygenating limitation, not expansion. Now imagine if every breath you took was intentionally designed to upgrade your neural architecture. What would be possible then? The 111 breath technique was discovered carved into stone tablets in the deepest chamber of that Tibetan monastery. The inscription translated to 3 gates, 1 breath, infinite worlds. But it wasn't until Dr. Andrew Huberman's recent research on breathwork and neuroplasticity that we understood the scientific precision behind these ancient instructions. Here's what the monks knew. Your brain has 3 distinct processing centers that, when synchronized through specific breathing, create a quantum coherence state. This isn't mystical jargon. This is measurable neuroscience. When your amygdala, prefrontal cortex, and anterior cingulate cortex enter synchronized gamma states, your brain literally becomes a manifestation antenna. The number 111 isn't arbitrary. It represents the optimal breath count that triggers what neuroscientists call cross-frequency coupling, when different brainwave patterns begin communicating and amplifying each other. In this state, your thoughts aren't just electrical impulses. They become organizing principles that shape physical reality. The technique itself is deceptively simple, but the precision is everything. Here's exactly what those Tibetan masters discovered. Phase 1. The activation sequence. Inhale for a count of 4, imagining you're drawing energy up your spine from the base to the crown. This isn't visualization. You're literally activating your sympathetic nervous system and increasing norepinephrine production. Hold for 4 counts while focusing on the space between your eyebrows, your pineal gland, which produces DMT and melatonin, the neurochemicals of expanded consciousness. Phase 2. The integration. Exhale for 8 counts, longer than the inhale, which triggers your parasympathetic nervous system and floods your brain with GABA, the neurotransmitter that creates the relaxed but alert state necessary for manifestation. During this exhale, you're not just releasing air, you're releasing limiting neural patterns and creating space for new possibilities. Phase 3, the quantum pause. This is the secret the monks guarded most carefully, the pause between breaths. Hold empty for 2 counts. In this space of no breath, your brain waves shift into theta frequencies, the same state experienced during deep meditation and lucid dreaming. This is when your conscious mind steps aside and your subconscious becomes programmable. Repeat this exact sequence 111 times, no more, no less. The 111th breath is when something extraordinary happens neurologically. Your default mode network, the brain regions responsible for self-referential thinking and limiting beliefs, temporarily goes offline. In that moment, you're not thinking yourself into a new reality. You're breathing yourself into one. But here's what even the monks didn't fully understand, and what cutting-edge neuroscience has only recently discovered. The 111 breath technique doesn't just change your brainwaves, it changes your DNA expression. Researchers at Harvard Medical School found that specific breathing practices can activate genes associated with enhanced cognitive function, stress resilience, and cellular regeneration within minutes. Dr. Sarah Lazar's groundbreaking research using MRI technology revealed that participants who practiced similar breathing techniques for just 8 weeks showed measurable increases in cortical thickness in areas associated with attention and sensory processing. But the 111 technique accelerates this process exponentially. Your breath isn't just moving air, it's moving information. Every inhale is downloading new possibilities from the quantum field. Every exhale is releasing outdated programming. And that pause between breaths, that's where miracles live, in the space between what was and what could be. There's something else those tablets revealed that challenges everything we think we know about manifestation. The monks discovered that reality responds to coherence, not just intention. You can visualize and affirm all day, but if your nervous system is in chaos, you're broadcasting mixed signals into the quantum field.